Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to use SharePoint List as knowledge source in Copilot Studio. So please watch this video till the end so that you can understand it completely. And if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. So let's get started. Here you can see that I have a SharePoint list which is named as product data. And here I have certain data, right? So which is product ID, product name, price, quantity, right? Customer feedback. To use this SharePoint list in Copilot Studio, first of all, I will create the Copilot Studio. For that, I will click on Create, and then from here, I will choose New Agent, and here I will click on Skip to Configure. Here I will give the name to the agent. Let's say Order Management. Here I have specified the description for this agent, which is like this agent helps users manage and track product orders efficiently. It provides information such as order status, delivery dates, quantities, sold product, feedback, and types. Right? So like this, you can give description for your agent, and here I will give instruction for my Copilot Studio agent. In the instructions, I have said that respond politely and concisely with relevant order details, and ask for product ID or product name when user asks for specific info. Ask for product ID or product name when users ask for specific info. And here I have given more instruction how it should respond to the queries, right? After this, here I can use add knowledge, and then I can choose SharePoint. So here I will specify the URL of the SharePoint site. I will go to the SharePoint, and here I will copy the URL, and then I will paste it here. Then I will click on add. After that, you can specify the name of the SharePoint site here, and here you can specify the description, right? You need to ensure that you are giving enough description for that knowledge source so that your agent can easily answer the questions related to your knowledge source, right? I will click on add to agent, and then I will click on create. Now here you can see that the agent has been created. You can see the description of your agent, and here we have orchestration enabled, right? So it will use the generative AI to determine how best to respond to users and events. And here you can see the instructions which you have given for your agent. In the knowledge source, you have your SharePoint list, so which is here product data, right? If you want to add the knowledge source after creating the agent, you can go to the knowledge, and then you can click on add knowledge, and here you can choose SharePoint, Azure AI Search, Data Words, and Azure SQL, public websites, etc. If you want to use the SharePoint, you can use SharePoint, and then you'll need to specify the URL, or you need to click on browse items to select the SharePoint list, documents, etc. Since I have already used the SharePoint list, I will click on back. I will click on close, and then I will click on leave. Here you can see that the type of this knowledge source is SharePoint, and the status is ready. So now you can query your data source. At any point, if you want to take a look at your knowledge source, you can click on that, and then here you can provide the detailed information about your knowledge source so that your Copilot agent can use it effectively. To check the knowledge source, you can click on this link. It will open the SharePoint list which you have used in your Copilot agent, right? Here you can see that my Copilot Studio agent is using GPT-4o default. If you want to change the different model, you can click on edit, and then here you can come and change the type of the model which your agent will use, right? I will close this. Before we start using the Copilot agent, we will go to settings, and then from here what we will do is we will make sure that use general knowledge is disabled, and then I will click on save. Now your Copilot agent is going to use your knowledge source. Now we will start using our Copilot agent. So for example, I will ask, tell me about P1002. So it will retrieve the data from the knowledge source which we have used in it. You can see it is trying to retrieve the data. Here it says that P1002 is a yoga mat priced at 999. It was last delivered on this date, and this is the feedback, right? Likewise, you can query about other products. For example, what is the product name of P1005? You can see here it has got the data, which is Bluetooth speaker. If you want to verify it, you can go to your SharePoint, and then here you can check it is P1005 and it is Bluetooth speaker, right? So this is how you can use SharePoint list as knowledge source in Copilot Studio. If you like this video, please click on the like button and please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any question, please post it in the comments section. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.